Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm with South Bay Ford, and today we're going to take a close look at the FordPass app. It's 232, so I'm going to set to 240. Now that's pretty cool. All right, to get started, we're going to search FordPass. And there it is, the first one that comes up. I've already downloaded it. I'm going to re-download it for the sake of this video. Here it is on our screen. And we're just going to select our country. Sign in. I already have an account. If you don't, you're going to go through the process of creating your own account, and then I'll meet you at the end screen. So here's our home screen. Here you can see I already have a vehicle added, the car in front of us right now, the name I have it. You can unlock. And here you see all the doors have unlocked. And there you go, all the doors have locked. You can remote start the vehicle. Check this out. You can find a dealer near you. You can check how much fuel you have left. You can check your tire pressure. Here you see all the tires are kind of out of whack. What's really something that is important is if you see one that is tremendously lower than the other ones, you probably have a nail in it and you need to check that out. So this is a really cool feature. You don't need to be in your car to see your tire pressure. Oil life. I just had the oil replaced, so I have 99% left, but it will show you how much time you have with your oil, and that is very useful. My favorite feature is a scheduled start. We can add a start. You have to be 5 minutes away from the current time. It's 2:32, so I'm going to set to 2:40. We'll come back to this when it's 2:40 and I'll show you how it starts. You can check your service history, maintenance schedule, reference guide, your warranty, vehicle health reports, and other dealer service features. I want to check my warranty. And here's the warranty plan I have. 3 years, 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. And this last feature, you can check fuel, charging, collision repair, parking, and dealers all near you. Pretty handy. On your account, you can see an overview of all your personal information. All right, so we are just seconds away from our first scheduled start. It should start at 2:40. And you can have multiple scheduled starts throughout the day. And here you see your vehicle has started as scheduled. Now that's pretty cool. Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be doing in-depth reviews of each little feature this app has to offer. I'm pretty excited about the scheduled time starts, all the maintenance features and safety features. If you're a parent, this could be really good, making sure your child's cars are safe. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Brandon. Have a good day.